It's another House Fix with Rick. Welcome to another House Fix with Rick. Today I'm going to try to take the awful out of some of those awful chores you have around the home. How often have you been told, hey, let's clean the windows today, or go clean the windows today? Well, it isn't a horrible job. It's just that I want to help you figure out how to do it the best, most efficient way. First off, when you start in those projects of cleaning your windows, you'll have all kinds of helpful ideas. Whether you use paper toweling in a regular cleaner. Maybe you're going to use a vinegar and water mixture or ammonia and water. Some people say that takes the streaks out. I've had people say, well, don't use paper toweling, that'll smudge. Use a crumpled up newspaper and that'll work. It does work, and the different products do a good job, but people that are paid to do the job and the professional window cleaners, they use squeegee and just simple detergent and water, something like your dish detergent and water. And I wanted to show you today by a patio door. I want to clean one panel with a regular cleaner and paper toweling, and then I'm going to use a squeegee on the other. And we can see how much faster, how much easier it is to use what the pros use, a squeegee. Let's go see if we can do a little test and see which is the fastest for you. Or maybe what your aunt, uncle, or neighbor suggested, using just a paper toweling and some good window cleaner. Let's see which one's the fastest, the easiest, and you can be the judge how you can get done with your Saturday project the quickest. You be the judge. And thanks for tuning in to another House Fix with Rick.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to ask a question or have a suggestion for future helpful videos, please follow these links and let me know how I can help.